Hey guys, welcome to today's new video. I'm going to be unboxing two Disneyland records. Now, if you don't know what like a Disneyland record is, some of them are related to the parks, but most of them are just the branding that they have on the actual record. But I think it's really cool that they use the theme park logo and everything, and I really like both of these vinyls, so let's get right into unboxing them. I'll start with It's a Small World since it's more of a famous one. Now, as you can see, these are not in good condition, but I still think it's really incredible that these have held up over so much time. So, it comes with two versions of the Small World theme. And I'll open it up. Okay, so now the final's actually out. It has two sides. The first side has the Sherman Brothers version of the Small World theme, and all of the soundtracks that you'll hear as you go through the ride. And then on the back, you have more countries, and then the United States of America, and the reprise of It's a Small World. And it's really unique, it's really cool. I really like that it connects to the ride almost. The second vinyl is the soundtrack to Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Now, this one was also just really cool for its age, and just the cover art looks really awesome. On the back, it just features some of the songs that it features, and then the history of basically what started Walt Disney Company. And again, this is just one of the crazy things that I think. This vinyl was produced in 1963, so it's 2021 now. This is like a 60-year-old piece of history that you can get at a garage sale for $1. It's really awesome. And as you can see, this is not the Small World one. It's actually the same kind of print. The only difference being the Snow White's on this one. You can see some of the... Oh, this is actually side 2, so... On the front, you got the overture and some of the songs from the actual movie. And on the back, you got some more songs. But I think there's only 4 tracks in the back. But still, really awesome. Another funny thing that came with this is this really old, kind of... Is it Kodak? Oh yeah, it's totally Kodak. I just think it's awesome that you can find these in there too. Mail-in sheet. On the Small World sheet, it also came with like, I think it's like some sort of Disney educational program. I actually used to have that Sorcerer's Apprentice book. I don't even know where it is now. But yeah, really cool advertisements that, again, you wouldn't expect to see. And this one probably came out in the 70s. This one doesn't have a date on it. Now that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I do like doing these record unboxings, so if you have any album recommendations, please let me know. Have a good day.